Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the garage. Sorry I've been gone a little while. I've been under the weather and I had to go to a bachelor party over the weekend, so I've been kind of busy, but I'm back, so don't worry. And today I got for you this month's, actually I guess now it's last month's, Alpha Outpost Raptor box. So I'm going to start getting these boxes every month, doing a review. They fit in pretty well with the style of videos I want to do on this channel. That's anything. It says outdoor, but it's really anything like tactical gear, accessories, that type of thing. And so we're gonna start reviewing what comes in these boxes every month. And so for the first one we got here, this is the Raptor box. Those of you who know Alpha Outpost, I'm sure you've seen videos on YouTube already of what's in this box. But for the sake of my channel, I'm going to do an unboxing and I'm going to give you guys an idea of what comes in this box. You can still order this if you go to their website, and you can backtrack a month. I think it's like $44.99 or something like that. But anyway, let's get into it. So it came in the mail, priority mail. It's a pretty thin box. I think they do a different size box every month. Take a look at it. It's got their information there on the sides. It's a nice box, I'll tell you. It's got a cool look to it. So this is a pretty simple box, only has a couple of items in it, but as far as I'm concerned, they're pretty decent items. Alright, so this box has a foam insert. It's very nice, which fits all of the included items very well. And it comes with a guide here that gives instruction on how to wrap the cleaver handle with these different paracords provided. So that's pretty cool. I'll have to get into that. Now this is surprising to me because in all the boxes I've seen videos done of in the past, they always came with this comic book that the people reviewing were always very critical of. And they all came with a patch, but this one actually seems like it has a place to mount this patch, which is right here on the sheath for the cleaver. So that's pretty cool because in reality, what are you going to do with this patch? So I mean, for me, I probably won't even keep it on there, but I know for a lot of people, you don't even have anywhere to put it. Okay, so let's see what this says. It gives you an idea of what the karambit knives are. If you can read that there, I don't know. I'm sure this info is available on their website. And it's showing you what it is. And here, the monster cleaver. Okay, so that's what this is. Alright, let's take a look at that. Let's start with the cleaver. This is really the big item that's included. As you can see, this is a raw handle. It's got these little holes so that you can wrap it as you please with these types of paracord. It's got a belt loop right here so you can mount it on your hip. It's got these two nice clasps to keep it in. See, I like this though because I wasn't expecting any cooking, I guess, gear, utensils to be included. Wow, that's sharp. I actually just kind of almost cut myself. Alright, so as you can see on the blade itself, it's labeled the Raptor or Raptor, and it's got that little Raptor guy. And it looks like almost a can or bottle opener there on the back. I don't know what this curved area of the blade is for. And as far as the edge, let's see. I'd say this could use a good washing. But it seems to have a pretty sharp edge. You can see it catching the light there on camera. Let's check this side. Oh, okay, so we got something else monogrammed on there, lasered on. It's the CUMA Monster Cleaver. Wow, this thing's got a good weight to it. That's at least a couple pounds. I like that though, because if you're going to be cleaving meat, you're going to want something that weighs a decent amount. Let me get a piece of paper here and we can test out how sharp this thing is. Alright, so if it can cut paper, then you know it's pretty sharp blade. If it can cut paper without ripping it, wow, look at that. I'm impressed for such a big, hefty knife. Wasn't really expecting it to cut paper like that. Damn. That's pretty damn sharp. Wonder if it could shave my arm. Yeah, it did. You can't tell, but it's got hair on there now. That's gonna need a wash. Wow, so that's pretty sharp. Let's see what else it says on here. Let's see where it's made. Oh, on there on the handle you can see lasered on there as well. It says made in China. So it's a China blade, but you know, for the price range, it seems like, I mean, I don't know how well this edge is going to hold with lots of cutting, but I think that for the price range, it's pretty cool. Let's take a look at these karambits. So it comes with two of these, I guess, one for each hand. These are a little bit less for, cooking, I'd say. All these blades came wrapped in plastic, but I opened the box previously and took them out to save time during the video. So they did come pre-wrapped. Alright, so the tip of this little blade here has got a plastic cup on it. Seems to be very sharp as well. Now, I've never owned one of these blades before, but they seem pretty cool. Seem like it could be really good to slice into something. Just like a Raptor claw. Let's test it out on the same piece of paper. Oh yeah, look at that. It's like scissors. Damn. Let's test out this other one. See if they both come this sharp. Well, that one ripped. Let's see. No, it's sharp. Just harder because the smaller curved blade. Yeah, those come pretty damn sharp, so maybe I can give you guys a look at how these things hold up in the future after a whole bunch of use. But for now, those things are pretty damn sharp. So those are pretty cool little blades. I don't think you wrap these with the paracord. At least I didn't see a guide for that on that piece of paper that it came with. So you just hold them with your pinky through that big hole there on the bottom. If I can get this to reclasp. There we go. Get that put back in. What we got here. Just to be safe. Alright, so now we got these paracords. I don't exactly know. It didn't say 550 cord. I'm not exactly sure what the weight is on these. I think I'm going to go for the cleaver. I'm going to put this this OD green on there. So let's unravel it, see how much this comes with. Alright, so let's see. My wingspan's about 6 feet. I'd say it comes with about 10, maybe 12 feet. 12 feet of paracord times 3. So I like these little paracords. These are really cool because you can throw these in a little pack. You should have one of these in the car, or one of them in your backpack, whatever. Carry them with you because they're so useful. You always run into situations where you might need paracord. So that's pretty cool. You got 3 different varieties of that. And I think all in all, after it's shipped, this thing's right around 50 bucks, maybe a little bit cheaper than that. So that gives you an idea of what you can get monthly. It's pretty cool. Go check them out. I'll put a link somewhere, description or comments, for this box or for just the Alpha Outpost website. Go check them out on Instagram and all those places. They have a large social media presence, and you can see lots of different kits that they have. I think they have a couple dozen kits they've done in the past. But we'll be getting another one here in a couple weeks, and I'm going to do an unboxing video of that, give you guys a real quick first look at what that one comes with. So make sure and hit that subscribe button, stick around. Also check the description for a link to my Patreon. You could be my first patron, I believe. I think I have one actually. I got $1 a month, but go check that out. You could support more videos like this, more tactical, keeping you guys up to date on what's going on in the world. So make sure and go check those out. Hit that subscribe button, and thank you so much for watching.